President election.
Strong not only in numbers, but in purpose, relevance, and impact.
Your presence in this event reflects the partnership that PAFCPIC and our members have. Mabilis na serbisyo, kinabukasan ay sigurado.
For more than 4 decades, PAFCPIC has stood as a reliable partner of our soldiers and our families.
Sir Joselito D. Pada!
Today, we are 205,791 members strong, supported by 25 satellite offices and 28 liaison offices nationwide.
As the Philippine Army continues to pursue transformation and modernization, we look to partners such as PAFCPIC to help build a resilient and financially literate force.
Far away another day, simple things will come my way. It'd be worth it, stay with me. They will drag us in the dirt, say the things that make us hurt, but I'll never give you up.
This occasion brings together men and women who share a common purpose to support one another and to promote financial security within the Philippine Army community.
Like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a bond that never breaks. We are unbreakable. Like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a picture in a frame. We are unbreakable.
A celebration of growth, a celebration of resilience, a celebration of collaborative, a celebration of God's faithfulness. But it is also a renewal of the mission of the cooperative.
And so bizarre, but the truth that lies within.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me. Welcome our distinguished guest of honor and speaker, the 67th Commanding General of the Philippine Army, Lieutenant General Antonio G. Nafarrete. Big round of applause.
Like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a bond that never breaks. We are unbreakable. Like a love song we remain.
We have enhanced our systems, strengthened governance, and improved operational efficiency, all to elevate the member experience.
We are unbreakable.
Focus on modernization, doctrine refinement, and growth development, under and anchored with the core values of duty, honor, and patriotism.
Like a love song we remain, like a legend of today, like a bond that never breaks. We are unbreakable.
I commend the management and staff of PAFCPIC, including all your satellite offices, for continuing to expand and reach and introduce new initiatives that respond to the evolving needs of your members. Your efforts contribute directly to the overall welfare and morale of the Philippine Army. Palakpakan po natin ang PAFCPIC.
Your confidence is our greatest strength. As we move forward, we will remain committed to financial resilience, inclusive growth, and sustainable value creation for AFP community and their families.
To those who will be elected today, kagaya ng lista ko, si Chris, I congratulate you and trust that you will carry forward the cooperative's mission with professionalism and accountability.
With integrity, discipline, and shared purpose, we will continue to build a cooperative that grows stronger with every year of service.
May this 44th General Assembly further strengthen the unity of our members and inspire all of us to work together for the continued growth of PAFCPIC and the welfare of our soldiers and their families. Mabuhay po ang PAFCPIC, mabuhay ang hukbong katiyan ng Pilipinas.